Today I am doing a review of the Breville Boss blender. I received this blender a few days ago as a gift, and I wanted to share my results of what I've been getting from the green smoothie preset, which the Breville has several great presets. But I wanted to share my findings of this higher end blender that supposedly is creating waves with Vitamix and Blend Tech. So I'm going to go ahead and put together a smoothie here. This will be a typical green smoothie and show you guys the results. So I'm going to use some green apple here. So this is half of a green apple. Then a handful of spinach. This is just regular spinach. Put a little bit more in there. Now I'm going to do kale also, and kale is supposed to be one of the harder greens to blend, just because it's so fibrous. And we've got approximately 6-7 ice cubes. Get those in there. And a cup of water. Now this machine is very well built. I've been impressed by the overall construction quality. As you can see, stainless steel components. The front has all the presets, a magnetic removable knob. I mean, these are really great manufacturing standards that they have in this unit. You can see BPA on the actual canister, and on the bottom, stainless steel. I mean, just incredibly well built. All aircraft grade aluminum used in this item, and the lid is very heavy duty. You can see you got to put a lot of pressure to get the lid down on there, especially doing it one-handed while I videotape this. But so you just hit the on button here, and as you can see, green smoothie button. We're gonna hit this, is gonna be very loud, but give me 1 minute. Now the nice thing about the smoothie button for the green smoothies is that it's supposed to keep the heat from penetrating the actual veggies, which can, kill the nutritional value of the drink. So I've been using a juicer before, the Omega juicer. That's a cold press, so there's no heat involved, no centrifugal force. And as you can see, there's kind of some grit that's built up. A trick to open this lid, you just push up from the bottom, it comes right off. But you can see a lot of grit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a spoonful of this, just foam. But you don't want a lot of foam either, because it oxidizes all of this good stuff, and it kills the nutrients. So as you can see, it looks pretty smooth. I'm just going to run my spoon over the top of it. Remember, I put that ice in there, so that should be really smooth. And there is some grit. There is some grit here. My findings were the same yesterday, and that's what prompted me to make this video. Unfortunately, I'm getting grit, and I don't know if it's from the apple or the kale. But I've done ice smoothies in this and no problems. Very smooth. And I did a raspberry drink yesterday and got seeds in it. So that's my findings so far. I can suggest it for if you're just doing ice smoothies, but for the green smoothies or anything that has seeds in it, it's just very gritty. So if you're going to spend that kind of money on a blender, those are some things I'd take into consideration. Thanks.